Hello student, I am Sandeep Singh, your SST teacher, and this is your chapter 16, United Nations, and I am going to explain about exercise of this lesson, United Nations. Let us look at the main point of the lesson in summing up. The first point is, after the two World War, world leaders formed the United Nations Organization, UN bring peace, security and the world. Student, you all of know that in world past time, there have been two World War. Two World War has been held, and by this the caused enormous loss of lives, properties, and brought untold misery and suffering people around the world. The wars were followed by famine, epidemic, and more death. After the end of Second World War, the leaders of nations made find way means prevent war in future. Toward the end of 24th October 1945, the United Nations Organization was formed with 51 member countries. Okay, so the foundation day of the United Nations is 24th October. Okay, it is celebrated in every year. Now second topic is second main point is aim of UN include stopping war, protection of environment and human right, and controlling poverty and disease. Third point is 6 organs of UN are General Assembly, Secretary General, Security Council, Economic Social Council, and International Court of Justice and Trusteeship Council. The Secretary General is the highest officer of the UN. यूनाइटेड नेशन के 6 ऑर्गन्स होते हैं. पहला है जनरल असेंबली, दूसरा है सेक्रेटरीट, द सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल और इकोनॉमिक सोशल काउंसिल और इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस और ट्रस्टीशिप काउंसिल. ये जो होते हैं इसके अंग होते हैं. सेक्रेटरी जनरल जो है सबसे हाईएस्ट यूएन का ऑफिस होता है और इसका जो हेड होता है वो सेक्रेटरी, यूएन सेक्रेटरी कहलाता है. ओके, सम ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंस स्पेशल एजेंसी यूएन आर यूनिसेफ, FAO, WHO, UNESCO, ILO. These agencies work promote education, promotion culture, heritage and removing hunger amongst the other. और भी कुछ एजेंसियां हैं जैसे कि यूनिसेफ, यूनाइटेड नेशन, इंटरनेशनल चिल्ड्रेन एजुकेशन एंड फंड, फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, यूनाइटेड नेशन एनवायरनमेंट एंड सोशल इकोनॉमिक एंड कॉरपोरेशन और इंटरनेशनल लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ये जो एजेंसियां हैं ये पूरे वर्ल्ड में शिक्षा के और कल्चरल हेरिटेज के रख रखाव के लिए काम करती हैं. ओके, अब बताइए एक्सप्लोरिंग न्यू वर्ड्स. ह्यूमन राइट्स, द बेसिक राइट every human being entitled regardless of sex, race, religion, language and nationality. Each person has to right entitled the regardless of sex, race and religious, language and nationality. Special agencies, a body specially designed for particular activities. Veto, the power to say no or reject decision taken by other in the group. If a country has a veto power that the resolution is not proposed. Okay, now next is work out fill in the blanks. Here some questions are given and you have to fill the places, blank places. United Nations Day celebrated on which day? Celebrated United Nations Day, that is answer is 24 October. It is founded on 24 October 1945. Okay, the next question is At present, UN had members. Today, 193 countries are the members of United Nations. The 6 main organ UN are the General Assembly, the Security Council, the Trusteeship, ECOSOC मतलब Economic and Social Corporation and Secretariat. The next question is power given to 5 permanent members Security Council to turn proposal raised by the members. किसको पावर मिला हुआ है तो ये कहलाता है वीटो पावर. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जी वर्क प्रोटेक्ट कल्चरल एंड नेशनल हेरिटेज ऑफ इट्स मेंबर कंट्रीज. तो इसका आंसर होगा यूनेस्को. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सपेंड द फॉलोइंग. व्हाट इज द एक्सपेंड ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? WHO, it's a full form of the WHO is World Health Organization, UNICEF, United Nations इंटरनेशनल चिल्ड्रेन फंड, जो बच्चों के लिए फंड प्रोवाइड करती है, यूनिसेफ उसका पूरा नाम है यूनाइटेड नेशन इंटरनेशनल चिल्ड्रेन फंड. यूनेस्को, यूनाइटेड नेशंस एजुकेशनल साइंटिफिक एंड कल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जो पूरे विश्व में कल्चरल हेरिटेज को सुरक्षित रखने में प्रयास करती है. UNO, यूनाइटेड नेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, फुल फॉर्म ऑफ द UNO इज यूनाइटेड नेशंस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. एंड FAO का फुल फॉर्म फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ओके, नाउ चूज द करेक्ट आंसर. स्टूडेंट, यू हैव टू गिव द some question and also given 4 option. You have to choose only correct answer. The UN is not concerned with this. UN यूनाइटेड नेशन किससे संबंधित नहीं है? प्रिवेंशन ऑफ वर्ल्ड वार रोकने के लिए, तो ये सही होगा. प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट, ये भी सही होगा. प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट, ये भी सही होगा. तो राइट आंसर होगा प्रोवाइडिंग. फिर से देखते हैं. प्रोवाइडिंग एनवायरमेंटल फ्रेंडली इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू द वर्ल्ड. ओके, ये इसके अंतर्गत नहीं आता. वीटो पावर इज एक्सरसाइज बाय मेंबर्स ऑफ. वीटो पावर किसके पास होता है? तो ये जो होता है जनरल असेंबली में. ओके, जनरल असेंबली में इसको किया जाता है. द मेन ऑर्गन्स ऑफ UN इज, मेन ऑर्गन कौन सा है? तो इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल काउंसिल जो है इसका मेन ऑर्गन्स होता है. सॉरी, इसका होगा जनरल असेंबली. ओके, जनरल असेंबली होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द स्पेशल एजेंसीज that ensure that children around the world get adequate nutrition, education, health. पूरे विश्व में बच्चों के स्वास्थ्य, शिक्षा और उनके पोषण के ध्यान के लिए कौन सी संस्था होती है? तो ये संस्था है यूनिसेफ. अभी हमने इसका फुल फॉर्म बताया, यूनाइटेड नेशन चिल्ड्रेन फंड. ओके, एजुकेशन एंड फंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन शॉर्ट. When was United Nations formed? How many members does UN have at present? यूनाइटेड नेशन कब स्थापित हुआ था और इसके मेंबर्स इस समय कितने हैं? तो द यूनाइटेड नेशन फॉर्म इन 24 October and it has 193 members country at present. Okay, next question. What is the function of Secretary General? What is the function of Secretary General? The Secretary General is responsible for fulfill decisions taken by the various organs. Who is the Secretary General? What is her role? The head of Secretariat is the Secretary General. He is responsible for various organs. Name the special agencies of work under ECOSOC, UNICEF, FAO, WHO, UNESCO and ILO are the special agency under the ESOSOC. Okay. Next question is, what is the function of FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization का काम क्या होता है? This agency tried to ensure that every person in the world has food to eat. Answer the following question in paragraph. Why was United Nations formed? After the end of Second World War, the leaders of the nation made to find ways and means to prevent war in future to world. This end on 24 October 1945, the United Nations organization was formed with 51 members countries. What is the aim of UN? The aims of UN are: first point is maintaining peace and security around the world. The second is developing friendly relation among countries, promoting social progress, better living standard and human rights, protecting the environment, increasing food protection and disaster management, curbing terrorism. Write a brief note at Security Council. The Security Council maintains international peace and security. It has a total 15 members, of the which 5 are permanent members. These are United States of America, United Kingdom, France, Russia and China. These members have the power to veto. How has the UN success or failure? Discuss with help of examples. The UN in 70 years existence of United Nations has some achievements and some failures also. The UN has managed to safeguard the world from Third World War. The UN has been able to free modern world from colonialism. The UN sent peacekeeping force to place where war has just ended, ensure peace and maintained. The movement against apartheid was also started by UN. The UN fought against illiteracy, hunger, disease and climate change to make this world better place. However, it failed to stop spread of nuclear weapons across the globe. It has failed to make member countries reach an agreement on climate change and step to use taken prevent. It could not be stopped Iraq-American war. Okay, so it has some achievements and failure. What has India contribution to UN been discussed? India has taken part of all projects of special agencies, has contributed a large number of troops UN to peacekeeping mission. Our peacekeeping troops have worked in Egypt, Sri Lanka, Haiti and other places. India has been members the Security Council for 7 terms. India also contributes money to United Nations Fund. Okay, so that's all in video. In next video we will explain about next chapter. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.